What's going on, guys? It's Nathan Humphrey here, and today we opened 3 packs. We did get a Pikachu 10, and we got this card right here. We got Pikachu on y'all else, and we got 4 Shining Fates. Got this joint, Charizard joint, and another Charizard joint. We're just gonna go start with this one. This is Doodles. Alright. Bam. Rusted Shield. Clallo. Detrax. Energy. Derail. Oh, we got a Gramana Snare. Look at him. Look at him, Doug. We're gonna sleeve you up. Okay, not a shiny on y'all else. We did get him though, so I'm not even mad. Nickit, what up, Nickit? What? Tripinch. Yum. All right, we're not doing too bad so far. What? Shining Fate, number 2. Oh shoot. Gym Trainer. Lux. Tropia. Energy. Oh, we got Cramorant. V. Seum. Those cards. Oh man, dude. We got what? Sam. Dang, he's glistening on y'all. We got another Clamorant V Max. What? I don't know. I've never seen those. And what is that? Okay, that's that. More Petco. A Yama. Horsey. I see you, Horsey. What up? A Shinx. And a Sparak. What up, dude? Damn, we're killing it with these. What? Alright. Next pack. Charizard on y'all else. So let's do this. Rustic Sword. A Rotom. A Rotom, whatever I'm calling it. A Tweed Factory. Energy. A Celebi. Does that shine on y'all else? I'm just gonna sleeve this bill up. She's not shining on y'all else, but I'm gonna sleeve her up. Oh man, we got a Rillaboom VMAX. Damn, we're getting a whole bunch of VMAX. What? Rollips. A Buizel. Another Spinart. Alright. Marip and Shuppet in the background. See you. Krookie, I see you. Damn, we're killing these. We're killing these. This is a good pull. The funny thing about this pack is the casing, the thing that came in, it looked like it looked like there was 3 packs, because this one was hiding, but I don't know, maybe people didn't buy it because they thought it was getting ripped off. I bought it, so we got that. Wow, this is a good pull, Doug. Got all these joints. Energy. Let's see what else we're pulling. Oh, we got a hollow Galarian Weezing. It's kind of hard to. It's really dark, but it's pretty sick looking. Damn, we're killing it with the shining on y'all. Oh my goodness. Rillaboom V. What? We got the V Max. Now we got the V Bird. What? What? It looks like a dill, dog. It looks like a wiener, dog. Like, you see him? It's not just me. Spinarak. Sufant. Rollout. And Gisclu. Alright. I'm not even mad at these pulls we got in this packs. I ain't even mad. Lead club members. What? We got him. We got Willowwood. We got Hollow Galarian Weezing. We got the VMAX. Then we got Celebi. I know she's not shining on y'all last, but then we got Grimace VMAX. What? That one looks beautiful, but I mean, look at that. What? Look at that. Bam. Then we got this joint, Gramarant. This one looks sick too. We got Snowlair V. What? Then we got the Pikachu from the beginning. Let me know you guys' favorite card in the comment section below. If you haven't, hit that like and subscribe button for future videos, and make sure you get notified so you never miss out on more Pokemon card videos. I love you guys. I will see you next video.